Okay, in this video, we're going to look at profile settings. Now, when I first saw Schoology, I automatically thought to myself, wow, this looks almost like Facebook. And really, it is a social media platform. Not only are you connected with your students, you're also connected with their parents, potentially, if they sign up. You're connected with educators on your campus. You're connected with educators outside your campus. And you're connected with educators really outside your district. Okay, when you're joining groups, there are tons of teachers and educators out there. So you want to establish an identity through your profile. So let's check it out. To get to your profile, on the top right-hand side of the screen, you're going to click on your name. And then you'll click Profile. And if you notice here, I don't have a picture. Right now, I'm just a bunch of squiggly lines, triangles, and a square. Looks just like me. All right, so what I'm going to do is edit the picture. I'm going to add a profile picture. I can use any of these avatars below. They're like Picasso paintings. But what I'm going to do is attach a picture or something that resembles me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a picture on my computer. Let's go to images, and I have professional images here. I'm going to use my Bitmoji. There you go. I've got a Bitmoji there. Looks great. If you need to adjust the crop, just hit edit thumbnail here, and you can adjust what appears in your profile picture. So I'm gonna hit crop, make sure it's centered, looks good to me. All right. And then I'm gonna hit the X here. Okay, there I am. There's my profile picture, my lovely Bitmoji. Now, I showed you in a previous video how to make updates. Well, you can actually make updates in your profile, just like adding a Facebook status, all right? So you can do that here. You have the same rich text editor where you can add a file, insert a link, add resources, add an audio video recording, and add a poll. If we click on info, this is where you insert your biography. And right now I have my about me and activities and interests set. If you need to change that, all you have to do is hit edit up here, okay? Let's go to blog. You have the ability to create a blog just by hitting create post. Again, students have this feature as well. So it's a great way of building their digital footprint. I want to look at portfolios. Portfolios is such a great feature in Schoology. Right now, I've got quite a few portfolios, but only one of them can be seen by anybody who clicks on my profile. And that's this one because I have this green circle, meaning it's published. But I'm going to create a new portfolio so you can see what it looks like. So from new portfolio, I have 4 options. Well, first, let me give it a title. Let's say example portfolio number 1000. I don't really know how many portfolios it can make. I'm pretty sure you can make quite a. So let me show you what you can do. So if I click on portfolio items, I have 4 options here. All right, picture this. You're a student in a course and there's one assignment submission that you are so darn proud of creating. Now, a great way of showcasing your learning and showcasing your work is by adding your assignment submission to your portfolio. And by clicking that, all they have to do is find a class they submitted an assignment and then select the assignment and add the submission. All right, great feature. I can also add a file from my computer. So this pulls up my Finder. I can attach a link or a URL. Maybe there's a Google slide presentation or a Google document, or maybe it's a Screencastify video in my Google Drive. I can take that link and paste it right there. I can also add a page, and I'm not going to spend time talking about page in this video because page is such a great feature. And I always say that all the features are great, but pages, I love Flipgrid. I also love using Padlet in the classroom. With a page, you can embed a Flipgrid or a Padlet straight into the Schoology platform. This way, students don't have to click on it and leave the Schoology platform to interact with those programs. Instead, you're going to embed within a page, and we can talk about that later. Let's go back to all my portfolios, and again, there it is. This is the only portfolio that can be seen because it is published in green. Next, we got badges. Now, if you like to gamify your classroom, badges is a great tool to use. Now, I've got the badges that I have been given by teachers and courses that I'm enrolled in. This is a great way, again, for your students to see their badges and see the badges of other students. So we'll talk about badges in another video. And the last part I want to talk about are connections. They're like friends in Facebook, right? So I've got a few connections here, and all you have to do to connect with somebody is click on their profile and connect with them. Okay, that's pretty much it for profiles in this video. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. Thanks.